In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cover image in Google Docs. Google Docs is an incredibly versatile tool for creating documents and presentations online, and adding a cover image is a wonderful way to make your document stand out, grab attention, and set the tone for your content. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you feel confident adding a splash of professionalism and creativity to your documents. First, open your Google Doc, and let's get started. The first move is to navigate towards the top of the page where your toolbar resides. Here, you'll want to look for the Insert option. Clicking on Insert unveils a drop-down menu filled with various options you can add to your document, offering everything from images to special characters. For our purpose today, you're going to locate and select Cover Image from this menu. Now, having chosen Cover Image, a new window or sidebar will appear, giving you multiple options to choose from. You have the option of uploading an image from your computer, selecting an image via URL from your online photo library, or a convenient option provided directly by Google Docs, the stock images. For the sake of this guide, let's click on Choose from Stock Images. This library contains a variety of high-quality images across a range of categories. It's an incredible resource to ensure your cover aligns perfectly with the theme of your document. Once you're in the stock image library, take your time to explore the selection. When you find one that resonates with the theme and purpose of your document, go ahead and click on that option. It's important to think about the tone that your selected image will set for your audience. And remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. After you've clicked to select your preferred image, you would typically find an Insert button to confirm your selection and add the image to your document. Depending on the image you've selected, you might need to adjust it for size and positioning so it complements your document structure beautifully. You'll notice as you place it that the cover image serves as an eye-catching element, successfully enhancing the visual appeal of your document. That's it! You've successfully learned how to add a cover image to your Google Docs. Experimenting with this feature offers a powerful opportunity to enhance the professionalism of your documents, making them more appealing and engaging for readers. Remember to keep exploring and utilize these visual features to make your content impactful. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this guide was helpful. See you in the next video.